let's look at the question number 1 of exercise 6.1. Lines AB and CD, lines AB and CD intersect each other at O. And if angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree and angle BOD equal to 40 degree, then find the angle BOE. And reflex of angle COE. Now to do this question, first of all we have to write given. Now given is lines AB and CD intersect at O. Second condition is angle AOC plus angle BOE, equal to 70 degree. And third condition is angle BOD equal to 40 degree. And we have to find angle BOE, and reflex of angle COE. Now we will start its solution. First line, lines AB and CD intersect at O. Lines AB and CD intersect at O. And we know that whenever two lines intersect each other, lines AB and lines CD, they are two intersecting lines. And whenever two intersecting lines are given, then pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. It means angle BOD equal to angle AOC because both are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, angle AOC equal to angle BOD because of vertically opposite angles. Now angle BOD equal to 40 degree, it is given. Angle BOD equal to 40 degree, it is given. This implies angle AOC is also equal to 40 degree. Because both angles are equal to one another, reason is they are the vertically opposite angle. Now in second condition, angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree given. Angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. It is given. Angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. Now put value of angle AOC. Angle AOC equal to 40 degree. We have just proved here. Therefore, angle BOE equal to 70 degree minus 40 degree equal to 30 degree. Now we have found first angle BOE. Now let's move towards the second angle. Now we have to find reflex of angle COE. In second part, we have to find reflex of angle COE. Reflex means an angle whose measurement is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. That angle is known as reflex angle. And we have to find this angle, this reflex angle COE. So firstly, we will find angle COE. After that, we will subtract this angle from 360 degree to find the value of angle, reflex angle COE. Therefore, reflex angle COE equal to, suppose if this angle equal to x, then reflex of angle COE equal to 360 degree minus angle x. So in second part, we have to find the reflex of angle COE. Now, on straight line AOB, angle AOC plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. Reason is because of linear pair angles. We know that if a ray stand on a straight line, then sum of two adjacent angles equal to 180 degree. Reason is that because of linear pair angles. On straight line, sum of two adjacent angles is always equal to 180 degree. Reason is linear pair angles. Now we have proved in first part angle AOC equal to 40 degree. Angle AOC equal to 40 degree. And angle BOC is again combination of these two angles. Angle BOC equal to angle BOE plus angle COE equal to 180 degree. And we know that angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. Angle BOE equal to 30 degree. We have just proved in first part. 40 degree plus 30 degree plus angle COE equal to 180 degree. 70 degree plus angle COE equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle COE equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree equal to 110 degree. But we have to find reflex of angle COE. Here we have calculated what is the measurement of angle COE. Angle COE equal to 110 degree. Now reflex of angle COE equal to, if I subtract this angle from 360 degree, then I will obtain reflex of angle COE. And reflex of angle COE equal to 250 degree. So answer of this question is angle BOE equal to 30 degree and reflex of angle COE equal to 250 degree.